Today we are going to walk through the process of applying for a permit through Permit Sonoma's online permitting tool. From the home page at prmd.sonoma.org, you will scroll slightly down from the top and you'll see the Apply for Permits link within the blue banner. We'll click here. This will take you to the online permits system. From here, we're going to select Start a New Application. This will bring you to the list of the different applications that are available for online application. For those permits going around the Permit Application tool, you will see blue links that lead you to a set of instructions to follow an email submittal process. For the permits that are available through the online permitting tool, you will see a green link that says Apply Now. For today's example, we're going to use a building permit with plan check and select Apply Now. From here, you must log into the system using your registered credentials. If you've not already registered for an account, you should do so first by clicking the Register for an Account. There are also instructions on our website that will walk you through this process if you need. Once logged in, it'll take you to the online permit application, and we'll start with a disclaimer. Please read through the details and acknowledge that you've read and accepted the terms by clicking the box. From here, we will continue the application. The application begins with a listing of the street address or parcel number for the location where the construction will occur. You can choose to enter the street address or the parcel number as your starting point. In this case, I will start with the street address. Please enter as little information as possible to get the widest number of results returned in your search. In my case, I'll just start with the street number and click the search button. My address is listed on the top of this list. Your address will be found in order. You'll see that it has also automatically brought in the associated parcel, and we will select. With the address and the parcel number listed, we will now scroll down to enter the owner information. Once the owner information is populated, we will select Continue Application. From here, we will need to list an applicant and any other contacts associated with the project. As a registered user, your credentials and information are all set within the system, and you can select them from the account. I'll select my information from the account and select Continue. With the applicant populated, you can now select any additional contacts required for the project. Once the contacts are all entered, we will go to the Licensed Professional section. Licensed Professionals should start using a lookup tool. From here, I will select a sample contractor that we have populated in our system. If your contractor is not listed here, you will select the Add button as opposed to the Lookup button. The contractor is then brought into the application, and we will select Continue. From here, we would like a detailed description of the project listed. This does not have to be lengthy, but should be accurate to the description of the work. Scroll down and enter the more detailed information. From the drop-down list, we will select residential, commercial, or agricultural. For the project location section, this is only required for larger parcels with multiple structures to identify which structure the project will be. In the bottom section, if you have a licensed professional entered, as we do, we will select No and move on. If you do not have a licensed professional and plan to continue this project as an owner-builder, you will select Yes and enter the information. In our case, we'll leave it checked as no and continue the application. We are now at the document upload screen. For building permits with Plan Check, you are required to upload a set of construction plans. There may be additional documentation that's required throughout the process, and if you know that documentation will be required, you can upload it now as well. To upload documents, select the Add Browse key. From the File Upload screen, select Add Browse again to get to your computer's file system. Within your computer's file system, select the plans for upload and you will see a progress bar for the upload process. Once completion at 100%, you will select Continue. Again, construction plans are required for this application, and we will need to give it the document type that we are uploading, in our case, construction plans. You can add a brief description and select Save. You'll see acknowledgement that the attachment has been successfully uploaded. By scrolling down, you can add additional documents at this point or continue your application. Finally, it brings you to the review screen. This is your opportunity to review the details that you've entered throughout the process and make any changes that may be required. If changes are required, simply select the Edit button next to the section you would like to change. Once everything is correct, we'll select the Continue application. And you will see an acknowledgement screen that shows that your application has been successfully submitted. You'll see your application record number listed on this screen. You'll want to note this for future information.